ismim Nozima. Biz O'zbekistondan tashrif buyurganmiz. Men o'g'lim Muhammad Jahangir 2 yoshda. Biz 1 yildan beri shu ichakdan qon ketish muammosi bilan qiynalib kelardik. Keyin Fayzulloh aka orqali biz aloqaga chiqdik. Bizga o'sha Hindistonga aynan shu Max klinikasiga borishni maslahat berdilar. Bu yerda juda malakali shifokorlar bor deb. Aynan bu yerda doktor Prashant maslahat berdilar.
They contacted me. I saw the patient. He was looking stable, but his hemoglobin was around 6 grams. He was still bleeding from the ileostomy site. And then I decided that let's do a CT scan, because one of the very common findings which is a cause of the bleeding in these kids is a Meckel's diverticulum, which is a very rare finding, which is a very rare condition. I explained to the parents that the treatment is just the removal of this diverticulum, and unless and until we remove it, the child is not going to recover.
Bizni 2 yanvar kuni operatsiya qilib, hamma sabablarni topib,
so we planned the surgery again, and we could find there was a large diverticulum of almost 4 centimeters lying in the terminal ileum. And we resected the diverticulum, we performed the resection and anastomosis, joined the bowel again, and the surgery was done eventfully.
Bugun klinikadan chiqib ketish arafasida turibmiz. Xudoga shukr.
After surgery, the child was perfectly fine, stable, and he's doing good. There's no bleeding right now. He's accepting feeds, and now he's ready for the discharge. So I wish them all the very best, and I hope the child will do good in the future. Thank you so much.